Hey, hi, this is Purushottam. Welcome to Informatica support videos. Today we will be discussing about how to use the dictionary alias in Informatica Identity Resolution, or IIR as you say. So the agenda of today's discussion will be how to create a dictionary alias file in IIR, how to encrypt that file for security, and how to use the dictionary alias. So what is a dictionary alias is in IIR when we use the connection strings, so we use the database details, and in IIR we support the use of alias name for rulebase, database and source name. So this use of dictionary alias it makes it possible to hide the actual connection string so that it will be secure from other application programs. So let's see how we will create a dictionary alias file, how to use it and how to encrypt it. Okay, so before going into creating the dictionary alias file, let's see how currently we are using how currently we are accessing IIR rule base and database. So when you are trying to log into IIR console, it asks you for the credentials like the username, password and all those details. Say for example we give it like so we give all these username, password details and the service name, so IIR will know and it will connect to the rule base. So what we want to do is we don't want to use the actual username password, we want to use an alias instead of it. Okay, so to create a alias dictionary alias, you need to first create a dictionary alias file where you will put all the details of your rule base, database and source database details. Okay, so let's create one dictionary alias file. So for that you need to open a text pad and create a dictionary alias file. In that, say how I mentioned it, like RB, say for example for rule base you can give other name also, and then the connection string as you can see here, ODB:0. So for database I have used DB, for source I have used SRC. Now once you have given these string details, you need to save this file. Wherever you save, you need to point to that folder with a environment variable, but the default is it will look into the bin directory first if you have not specified any environment variable. So I'm going to put it in the bin directory itself. So suppose I'm giving the file a name, my dictionary dot dic. So let's save it. Now once I have created this file, I will show you what is the difference it will make. So once you have created this file, let's go and define the environment variable also, so that it will know where to look for this file. Okay, so if I go, say like I have already defined this variable. As you can see in the last line, I have defined it as SSA DB DICT dict. So it will be pointing to SSA bin and the file name. So like this, if you are giving any other directory, you can give the full path here, so that it will pick from that path. So once you have defined this, it is required to restart your server to pick this environment variable. So once you have defined and restarted your environment variable, so see what is the difference it will make. Now I will try to start the console again, but this time we will not use the complete connection string. So here I will select the SSA and I will give the alias name only, so RB. This will tell IIR to pick the variable from the dictionary file that we have defined. So if I click OK, as you can see, this is adding some value to our security. However, this is still not secure because some application or something can look into this file, as this is not encrypted or anything. So for us, the next thing is to how to encrypt this file so that it will not be readable by anything external to IIR. Okay. To do that, we have a utility called IIR dict. So let's see how to use that. So to create an encrypted dictionary alias file, what we need to do is we need to use the IIR dict utility and give the file name that we want to create. So this is a new file that I want to create, and I will give this utility. I will use this utility. So now I'm sorry. So now this will ask the username or password that you want to use. Okay, so this will ask for a password. See, I am giving a simple password. It will never display the password that you are typing. So it will give you these 5 functionalities. One is add, delete, list, and test, and the last one is quit. So add is to add any alias name into this file. So say suppose I want to add one alias name, suppose RB. So I will go for A, then enter the alias. Say suppose the alias name is RB1. Now ODB, the first connection type is ODB, system qualifier 0. I will give the so this will ask whether to proceed or you want to re-enter or discard. Say I want to proceed. So this will give you the details, whether the connection details that you have given is successful or not. So this is saying that it is tested and added successfully. Now if I quit, let's go to see the file, how it has created this file. So if I go into the bin directory, I can see this is the file. Okay, so if I open this file, this is encrypted and you cannot read it or any external application. It is just that IIR will read it from this file. So the usability, as we saw, is we can use the alias name instead of using the actual connection string, also like while connecting to the rule base. So likewise in the source also we can use it. So as you see, earlier we were using it like ODB colon the complete connection string in the HDF file. Instead of this, we can use only the simple dictionary alias name SSA colon src. So this suffices the connection string. So this is all for this video. Hope this was useful, and yes, we would love to hear from you to give your feedback on these Informatica support videos. Please log into supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can tweet also at twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you for watching the video.